I recently DIY'd this wig for only 50 Kenyan shillings, and that was the cost of the wig cap that I used to crochet it. And it has received the most hate ever on TikTok. Like, you guys, if you're not following me on TikTok, just follow me there, and the recent 2 videos, you will see that. So yeah, guys, I'm going to be installing it here, and before that, let's do our makeup.
I have already applied my primer so that it can dry off as I'm doing the other things first before I go to my foundation. So I'm starting off with my eyebrows, and I'm just brushing them off with this DIY spoolie, and then I'm using my Davis number 11 eye pencil to fill my eyebrows in. After filling them in, I'm going in again with my DIY spoolie to brush them off again to just equalize them. And this is the step where you can go in with your brow gel or lash glue, you know, to put them together all day. And as usual, I'm using my Elegant Pro Concealer to clean the lower part of my eyebrow. And on the upper side of the brow, I will go in with my foundation shade so it can match my skin better and for easier blending purposes. I'm using the same shade of concealer as my eyeshadow base. So let's talk about this wig, guys. I used a small sufuria as a mannequin head, and I reused my old braids. Like, if you watched my previous video on how I do my own hair at home, those were the braids I used, guys. And the 50 bob was only for the wig cap, so I DIY'd it. And I didn't expect it to look like, you know, those expensive human hair. I know it needs some adjustments. I know it can look better. And actually, guys, this is my second time trying to make a wig at home, like DIYing my own. So I don't know why people hated it, but I'm super proud of myself for making it. I'm super proud of the progress. And by the way, it turned better than my first one. And if you have not watched that video, I have it here on YouTube. It was a brown wig that is, I used the brown braids, and yeah, I like this one more. And I know that everyone got their own opinion on anything and everything, but my opinion to my own stuff matters more than any opinion. To my favorite part of makeup, I'm going to use this rose palette, and I used that shade. I don't know the name of it, but I love it. And I didn't plan for an eye look, so I just went on and gazed and just came up with a look that I liked. You guys have seen this old mascara in every makeup tutorial video in this channel, and I think it's time to buy another one for myself. Yeah, and for my foundation, guys, I'm using Milani Liquid Foundation. I enjoy this part so much. I think it's because it brings the eye look together and to the completion. I love this. I love this. Look at how it makes a difference. Like, wow. A makeup hack for you guys: if you want your lipstick to pop, apply your foundation on your lips just to brighten them a bit. Or if you have white concealer, I would prefer it more. I'm applying foundation and then powder to set it, and also applying powder on the rest of the face. I noticed that my inner corners were just there and I wanted to add something, so I added this Kashima shade that is very similar to the shades that I have on my eyes. And now back to lips, I'm using the Davis number 11 that I used on my eyebrows, and then mixing it with this eyeliner that I got recently. It's black in color, and making sure that they blend perfectly. And for my lipstick, I'm using this Maybelline Super Stain, the shade number 1 from my client's kit, and applying it on the middle part of my lips. By the way, if you don't know, I'm a mobile makeup artist. I do different looks for different occasions. Maybe if it's a birthday, photo shoot, baby shower, whatever. If it's a simple glam or full glam, I do all of that. So if you want makeup services by me, make sure you DM me on my Instagram. It's down here, Philly Crescent, or just send me an email. My email is on the screen and on the description down below. And after my lipstick was blended together perfectly, I wanted it to be a little bit glossy, so I added my clear gloss from Absolute. It's time to finish up this look with our DIY wig. So I'm going to put my twist outs in one cornrow, put on this black wig cap, and then the wig. To prep the hair, I'm using the same products I use on my natural hair, that is the leave-in treatment and also the coconut oil. I'm using the leave-in treatment first and then followed by the coconut oil. So the oil is just to help with the shine on the wig, and also after applying them, I'm going in with a wide tooth comb to comb a little bit, and that's it for the prepping, and it's ready to put on. So this is the hair, guys, and as you can see, it's not that bad for a second trial on making a wig at home. And also I think it's very much worth the 50 Kenyan shillings. And by the way, guys, I can just go out like this. I'm not even kidding you, I can go out like this. Let me know in the comment section what you guys think about it. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.